You made me who I am, help me understand the way to get through, how to break chains, deal with my pain. Here's to us. I'm only victim of the circumstance. It gave me fuel to burn. It won't destroy me or define me. It'll give me ways to learn. It taught me how to self-destruct, to think I'm not enough. So I'll teach myself, believe that I'm deserving of my love. I'm deserving of my love. I'm deserving of my love. Deserving of my love. I'm deserving of my love. I'm deserving of my love. Here's to the shame, the one that held the door, then slammed it in my face when I couldn't serve you what you wanted. You denied me of my space. Here's to the broke, the one that borrowed me, used me as their wings, lent on me relentlessly till I couldn't feel a thing. But I wouldn't give it up, 'cause they told me what to do. Wouldn't give it up, 'cause I know I learned from you. You made me who I am, help me understand a way to get through, how to break chains, deal with my pain. Here's to us. To the self-inflated egotist who showed me what I'm not, you amplified the doubt until the trust in me forgot to find the lost. The one who lied to the lies became the truth, rejecting all affection 'cause their love revealed their proof. But I wouldn't give it up, 'cause I found the strength to see and break the chains you shackled to my feet. To the sport, you gave me everything at such a special cost. With all its expectations, of course I fucking lost. To the love, the one who utilized, broke me till I bled. You tampered with my innocence and nothing more was said. Wouldn't give it up, 'cause it found me who I am. You paved the path for me to understand. You showed me all my faults and how to feel, and without you I'd not know how to heal. You made me who I am, help me understand a way to get through, how to break chains, deal with my pain. Here's to us. Here's to the great, the one that took it all just like he did before. He's never tired with scream for more. His compliments, his backhand will be cleverly disguised. I awoke one day and saw he pulled the wool out of my eyes. I wouldn't give it up, it taught me how to trust. Wouldn't give it up, 'cause you led me to my love. You made me who I am, you helped me understand a way to get through, how to break chains, deal with my pain. You made me who I am, you helped me understand a way to get through, how to break chains, deal with my pain. Here's to us.